beach hopping or only some beaches here around the northern beaches. We're staying at Narrabeen at the moment in the Lakeside Holiday Park. We're just grabbing some dinner here at DY. It's called Kicking In Seafood Restaurant. So we decided to order barramundi or dad and the mixed bag, mini mixed bag, which is only, this is the commercial area around. You can see Woolies there, the background on the left. There's a lot of places where you can eat. There's hero sushi at the back, peanut thighs. The big booth. Sitting outdoors. 31 degrees now. February 18. Hope it doesn't rain. Come and join us. Hi, let's eat. Kain na po. Ito po yung in-order namin. That's what we ordered, this one. I just put it on the plate. Kinalat na lang. Let's try this one. Wow. Ay, this. Ay, may taba. Yum. So windy. Sarap? Okay. Yum. Vlogging. Mukbang. Kain na po. Sarap. We also got rice and side dish and barramundi fish with salad. Kain na po. Guys, check out all these varieties of tomatoes. Got the Solanato, tomato golden. What are these? Chanel. These are the grape tomatoes. And these are the bigger ones. Good for salad. I think maganda sa salad. And more over here. Jalapeno. Oh, there's sweet mini capsicum. Oh my god, they're so cute. And get fresh basil. I'm so excited to see the different types of plums. These are my favorite ones, Calypso mangoes, while they're on season. You can get a 6-pack. Paradise pears. There's another type of yellow plums, but we usually get the red one. Hi everyone, we're just stopping by here for lunch at South Narrabeen Beach. Some coffee. So we just ordered some barramundi lunch and chicken wings and burger. And some coffee, of course. And that's some beef burger with fries and buffalo wings. Okay, that's Juicy Lucy burger with fries and chicken. That's fries. Over here, it's chicken wings with barbecue sauce. And of course, don't forget coffee.
Thank you everyone for watching until the end. This wraps up our series of the Northern Beaches with part 3, concluding with where we found places to eat. This is only a small exposure of the Northern Beaches because the whole area spreads out over 3 kilometers of coastal community suburb has so much to offer with its own culture of food and bars. So, whether you're traveling to the northern beaches for a swim, or a surf, food, or pub crawls, shopping, or just a weekend away with your family and friends, this road trip will not disappoint and will fill you with panoramic views of the coast and surprising events. Stay tuned to my next episode as we continue to explore events and places, discovering to eat around Sydney. Until next time, stay safe and thank you for watching.